Hi everyone, welcome to the CodeQueryHub. In this video, we are going to learn about the SQL DDL commands in SQL Server. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to create, store and manage the data in the databases. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, which is used to define or change the database structure. It basically works on structure, not on the data. So these are the DDL commands: create, alter, rename, truncate, and drop. Create command is used to create the database object. Example, to create a table. Alter command is used to make the modification in the structure of the database objects or table. Like for example, if we want to add a column or delete a column or change the data type of a certain column, then we will use the alter command. Rename command is used to rename the table name or a column name. Truncate command is used to delete the entire data of the table, and drop command is used to drop the entire database, including its data and the table structure. So these are the syntax for the DDL commands. Let's see this command with live examples to understand more. So let's create a database. Create database and database name. You can give any name to it. Like for example, we are creating the employee data. So to execute it, select this command. Either press F5 or you can execute it from here. Commands completed successfully. Now click on the databases. Right now there is only one database present in the system. To see this database, right click on it and click refresh. Now you can see that employees data is also present here. One more thing, in this tab, you can see the active database. So to make the database active, you have two options. Either you can make the database active with the help of use command, or you can also click from here. So let's see with the help of use command. Use database name is employee data. Let's execute this. And now you can see the employees data is active now. Now, create table command. The syntax for it is create table, table name, column 1 name and its data type, and any constraint if it is there. And in the similar way, you can add a number of columns to it. So let's see with the help of example. Let's create a table. Create table. Employee table. Column 1 is employee ID of integer type. Let's give it as primary key. Primary key is basically unique and not null. For example, you can say that in class you have roll numbers which is unique and which cannot be left blank. Another column name is employee name of a Bearcat, and you can see department. Also it should be also character. Let's give it 30 characters, and one more column, salary of integer type, and then close it with the help of semicolon. You can also press enter. Just do one thing. Let's select this query and execute it. Commands completed successfully. So in order to see whether this table is created or not, click plus on it and then tables. You can see that table is created. Okay. And to see these column names, click on the table, right click, design. You can see that these are the column names: employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and their data types. And as we give the employee ID as primary key, so you can see it cannot be left blank and it should be unique. So this is the property of a primary key. One more thing, you can also see whether a table is created or not. There is one query to fetch the data. Select star from table name. So select star from table name is employee table. Let's select this query and execute. You can see that this is the structure of the table. And as we have not entered any data into it, so this is showing blank. Okay. Now let's use the alter table command. Suppose we want to add a column into this table. So how can we do it? Alter table. Table name is employee table. Add column and data type. Sorry, do not write column. Instead, you write the column name. Uh, let's add the email into it and varchar. Let's give it 50 characters. Just select this command and execute it. Commands completed successfully. And to see whether it is created or not, you can see with the help of this command. Now you can see that email is created. Okay. In this way, you can use the alter table command. You can also drop a column with the help of alter command. Let's see how to do it. Syntax for dropping a column is alter table, table name, drop column, column. Let's drop the email column, alter table, table name is the employee table, drop column, and the column name is email. Let's execute this command and see whether the email column is dropped or not. Executed. You can see that email column is no more present in the employees table. Now, let's see how to rename a table name. So, to rename a table, we have this command exec sp rename old table name, new table name. Exec is for executing the command and sp stands for stored procedure. Let's write it as old table name is employee table and new table may be employee tab. Any other name which you want to give it, and let's execute it. Yes, it is. And let's refresh this database and click on the tables. You can see that it is renamed. So if we execute this command now, so it will say that invalid object because the table is now changed. So to execute this table, we have to use the correct name, or you can say the rename name, that is employee tab. So if we use this table name, then we can see the structure of the table. Okay. In this way, we can and truncate table name, which we can, let's see. Truncate table name is employee tab now. But either we use it or not, this time it will not affect that much. Command completed successfully, but we don't have any data in this table, so no changes in it. Because truncate basically helps us to delete the entire data and keep the structure as it is. So you can see the structure. And drop table, it will delete the entire data as well as the structure. So if we use the drop table employee tab, then this structure will also be deleted. Let's see. Selected and executed. Now, if we execute this command, it will show the invalid object name because this table is no more present in this database. Let's refresh this and click on the table. You will not see any table in it. So today we learned about the SQL DDL commands. In the next video, we will learn about the SQL DML commands, which is data manipulation language, in which we will work on data and take a step ahead. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video. Do share it with anyone who is learning SQL, data science and artificial intelligence. And please subscribe to CodeQueryHub for more such learning content. Your support really motivates me. So thank you for watching.